Are you extremely conscientious? Do you have an eye for detail? Can you focus for long periods of time? Are you a good decision maker? If you have answered yes to these questions, then the occupation of pelt grader might be the one for you. Using skins to make leather is linked to the history of mankind. Today, while many of the features of leather craftsmanship are still found in high-end leather products, most leather manufacture is carried out in mechanized plants. Hides of sheep, pigs, cattle, buck and goats are cured, shaved, treated and finished for various leather products. The result is a vast range of types and quality of leather. In order to have some standardization in the leather producing process, the pelts, hides and skins are inspected and graded. This task is carried out at a number of points in the tanning and leather manufacturing process by a pelt or hide and skin grader. When the skins arrive at the tannery, inspectors examine each skin. They spread them on the floor and examine them for defects such as holes, cuts, brands, and residual meat and fat. They also check the type of skin and the weight. The information is recorded on a diagram. The skins are sorted into lots for the fellmongers to process. These workers remove the hair and any flesh from the skins. Once the fellmongers have processed the hides, inspectors examine them for remnants of hair and flesh. Those that have not been adequately cleaned are sent back for further cleaning, while the hides that pass inspection go to the tanners. Tanning preserves hides and transforms them into leather. After the tanning process, graders inspect the leather for thickness, size, and quality. They look for tears, holes, and blemishes as well. The leather is once again sorted into lots for further processing or for sale to other leather manufacturing plants. Leather processing has many stages. The methods of processing depend on the type of leather being produced. Once the leather has been processed, each piece goes through a final inspection. Inspectors and graders measure and weigh each piece of leather. It is inspected for defects in color and thickness. The grader then grades the leather according to condition, size, and weight. This information is recorded and a tag or barcode is attached to the piece of leather. The leather is sorted according to grade, color, and type. Workers then pack or bale the pieces of leather. These bales are sold to companies that make leather products. Entry into this occupation will depend on the employer's requirements. It may be possible to work as a trainee in a leather processing plant without any specific qualifications. Once employed, employers train graders through short courses and on-the-job training, which is adapted to the requirements of the company. Health and safety education will be provided. With experience and further training, pelt graders may become buyers or sales representatives in the leather industry. Those who prefer to remain in leather production may progress to supervisors or even plant managers.